This is your booklet for Indian writing in English. Let us have a look related all the questions of Mulk Raj Anand. What kind of questions have been asked in your last year exam? The very first is, okay, it is Indian writing in English, and here the very first question is, in which year Mulk Raj Anand was awarded International Peace Prize? Focus only on this International Peace Prize for promoting understanding among the natives of the world through his creative writings. And he was awarded in 1952. Which award? It was Prize International Peace Prize. 1952. The second one is, what is the root cause of tragedy of Indian underdogs in the opinion of Mulk Raj Anand? The root cause of tragedy of Indian underdogs. Poor economic condition. Poor economic condition was the root cause of tragedy of Indian underdogs. Third one is, who influenced Mulk Raj Anand when he wrote his novel Untouchable? It was Mahatma Gandhi. Fourth one is, Anand wrote his next novel after Untouchable. Title of that novel was Coolie. Okay, Untouchable, and the second novel of Mulk Raj Anand was Coolie, Outside India. Untouchable was written at Sabarmati Ashram, and Coolie was written where? Because it was not written in India, it was written out of India. Name the country where he wrote this novel. Coolie was written in England, okay, in England. Then the next one is fifth one. Which writer had lasting influence on Mulk Raj Anand? Which writer? It was philosopher and poet Mr. Iqbal. He influenced Mulk Raj Anand a lot. Sixth one is, in the opinion of Anand, who is the creator of man's problems? Main creator of man's problem is man himself. Okay, man himself. Anand has written novels dealing with, mainly the main theme of his novels are lower class. His novels deals with lower classes. Next one is, what is the relation between Bakha and Ram Charan's sister in the novel Untouchable? Relation between Bakha and Ram Charan's sister. The relation was of lover and beloved. Bakha and Ram Charan's sister, lover and beloved. Then the next question is, ninth one, name the only Muslim character. Name the only Muslim character in the novel Untouchable. It was Waziro. Waziro was the only Muslim character in this novel Untouchable. Who calls Bakha the son of a pig? It was his own father. He calls Bakha, his son, the son of a pig. Name the playmates of Bakha. Playmates of Bakha, or friends of Bakha, Chota and Ram Charan. Chota and Ram Charan were the playmates of Bakha. Who treated Bakha as a human being and not as a downtrodden? It was Havildar Charat Singh. Okay, Havildar Charat Singh. He treated Bakha not as a downtrodden but as a human being. The next question, in which year Mulk Raj Anand's first novel Untouchable was published? In which year? It was published in 1935. 99th one is, which national award was given to Anand in the year 1967? It was Padam Vibhushan. Okay, Vibhushan, not Bhushan, Vibhushan, Padam Vibhushan in 1967. 7. It was given to Anand. Then last one is, at what age did Mulk Raj Anand die? At what age? Because he was born on 12th of December in 1905 and he died on 29th of September in 2004. So he died in which age? At what age? 99 years. He was 99 years old.